Kazakhstan.
Thank you guys.
Right, you scared? Eric, you scared? You put my hand in your feet?
That's where we got security, Vegas.
Kazakhstan. Leave it for the ring. Leave it for the ring. Still.